a halo today. You ready?
Yeah.
Hello
From Plitvice National Park.
Wow!
The most amazing thing I think I've maybe ever seen.
It's incredible.
We had an amazingly beautiful day.
We've just checked out of our hotel after having breakfast and we're driving over to Plitvice. Caroline is using her chew stick to get her new Invisalign retainers to adhere to her teeth a little bit better. And we are going on the longest hike in the park because that's what Caroline wants.
Obviously.
Yes, I might not be here for the next recording because I'll have died.
Hiking.
Look at this hiking path. We'll be on this for 18 kilometers. I have a feeling it becomes an actual hiking path once we get past where the tourists get on their boat. Then we won't be just on stairs anymore. Here we go. Also, do you like the necklace? We couldn't figure out how to make my my water pack function properly, so we ended up with this. Also, I think there's a bunch of mosquitoes. Good thing I have mosquito repellent in my bag.
Yeah, so it's one of the national parks in Croatia, Plitvice Lakes, big lakes that cascade from one to another that are connected by waterfalls.
Our first view of the Plitvice Lakes. They have little waterfalls there and there, and many boats.
It was really magnificent. Like, there aren't a lot of words to describe it. The water was so clear and so blue. It was like looking in an aquarium. Some of the waterfalls are really short, some are really big. I mean, it got more and more breathtaking, I think, the more we kept walking and realizing how big the park was. I also think we did our loop in the correct order because it started off a little more boring, and then there were just more and more things that we came upon as we walked, and that's kind of just how we spent the day. And despite it being July, the high tourist season, there's really only one spot where I felt like we were congested with a lot of other people. So it was also a beautiful day. They can have a microclimate there sometimes where it is really rainy or foggy or cold, but we had blue skies and sunshine. It was gorgeous. So we just enjoyed the nature that Plitvica, who knows how you say it, had to offer.
Here we have a wild Caroline photographing the waterfalls. It is her natural habitat.
I'm a rare find.
It is very bouncy. Ooh. We are Croatia taste testing these. They are pretzels that have peanuts on them. I don't know what it is. And I'm very excited. I bought them because I didn't know.
Let's see, Allison, what do they look like?
They're very skinny, but they do look hollowish. So I think they might be peanut butter filled pretzels. They're much thinner than the photo would lead you to believe.
Are they peanut butter filled?
Peanut butter filled pretzel sticks.
Be blessed.
These are good.
Let's see. Strapici.
here we are hiking in Plitvice. And it's beautiful. And the water is pretty colors, but it all is in Croatia apparently. Oh, it's very bright and the sunglasses are on my head. Do you think we can just dive on into it?
Yeah, why not? Make sure you clear the trees. I'll shoot the gap.
How about you?
We have stopped along the trail to have some lunch. We have a budget bread, which is kind of stale, quite frankly, but that's okay. We have some more tomatoes. We took a hazelnut spread and a Nutella. There's one on each side that we took from breakfast. Then we have some cookies, some fruit, some more of those pretzels I tried earlier, and apple chips. So we have plenty of snacks to get us through lunch. My feet kind of hurt because I'm wearing my dad's shoes, not my hiking boots. I will survive. That's the theme song to this trip apparently. Here we are at a very cold and breezy lunch, and Caroline is going to be taste testing
Plasma mini cocoa.
Ooh!
La la. Mini cocoa. Like a chocolate covered biscuit. Solidly average.
We also saw these Croatian women buy 2 boxes of these. They were on sale. So we decided that we also would have to buy them.
Oh my! Ooh la la!
Look at these pretty little cookies. They're better than the other ones, but basically the same thing. Not good, not bad.
It's more like I'm in the wild.
I am in the wild.
I am one.
There's a wild
Eliza Thornberry.
waterfall.
You can be the sister with the cray hair.
Oh, Caroline. Pretty, pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Just like you, so pretty. Yes, yes you are.
Oh, yeah, girl. It's filming us.
Okay, this one.
Go, gadget, go, miss. In the wild. Go, miss.
Wow. What a view. What a view.
Gadget, go, miss. Go, gadget, go, miss. Wow.
Real life video. How about you travel? A bit unique. Oh, Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. Wow, so natural. Ooh, it's so candid. we are on our 7th different boat of this trip, our 8th different boat journey. This one is just across to the parking lot.
And that was our day, hiking and then driving here. And showing this gorgeous Airbnb. Oh my gosh, I want to live here for the rest of my life.
Welcome to Zagreb.
Probably down this.
Really cool city. Architecture is really pretty. It's very busy, but I like it so far. So we had our dinner. We had a very traditional food, basically like a lasagna that's layers of their like cream cheese, which isn't like our cream cheese at all. It's just like a creamy cheese, and then some sort of dough, like a salty version that had truffles in it, and she had a sweet version.
I had the walnut and honey, and it was really delicious. It was fun to kind of discover that restaurant and eat there. It's been very popular, and it was quite tasty. And we found another very delicious gelato shop, of course.
More gelato. Gelato, gelato, we love you a lotto. And that was our day. That is the end of the Plitvice day and the start of being in Zagreb. I do think we did our 3 waterfall excursions in the correct order, just because we went from smallest to largest. I think the first 2 wouldn't have seemed as impressive as they were at the moment if we had gone to them right after going to Plitvice.
Yes, it's because Plitvice is times and times bigger than the other 2, but they were all gorgeous and beautiful in their own ways.
Yeah.
That's all.
So there we go. There we have it. Good night.
Night. Goodbye.